It's a beautiful portable LCD color television, but there is a problem. Corrosion is a natural process that converts refined metal into a more chemically stable oxide. And the corrosion, when it happens and the battery is inside the device, there will be a problem with the battery terminals. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clean corroded battery terminals. If you want to clean the corroded battery terminals, you will need lemon juice, or you can use wine vinegar, or you can use baking soda. Also, you will need a toothbrush, old toothbrush, or cotton swab. How to clean battery terminals from corrosion? First thing is to remove the batteries. Next is with cotton swab gently wipe away any corrosion debris in the device, taking care not to get any on your skin or in your eyes. Then dip a cotton swab in a little bit of white vinegar or lemon juice and clean the device components with the wet swab. Now take a dry cotton swab to remove any moisture. Leave the battery compartment of the device open to completely dry before putting a new batteries. And here it is, the cleaned battery terminal, and it looks much better compared to the corroded battery terminal. You can see that. And now it's time to test the device. Does it work? By the way, this is Casio portable LCD TV color television, and I love these old and retro gadgets. This one, it have a UHF and VHF receiver inside this device. Also you can plug in audio video input. It have DC jack for external power. The tuning is with these two buttons. From side you can adjust the brightness of the LCD screen and volume. On top there is a small speaker, also a jack for the headphones, a small antenna, alright, turning on. Yup, working, and it's scanning, but can't pick up nothing. Why? Because analog TV broadcasting, it's not working anymore. But I will show you something right now.
Things don't change overnight.
Now the TV is working because it's picking up signal from my cable television, and when I remove it, it's not working. When it's close to the cable, it's picking up the TV channels. I can scan channels, which is great. Yep. I hope you enjoyed in today's video. If so, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!